Today I'll be showing you how to make these super cute and quick little 4-leaf clover charms. They can be used for anything. I've been using them to like hold my cords and stuff. You can use them on headphones or anywhere where you just need a little luck, right? I think these would be really great to sell at markets, especially if there's any St. Patrick's Day themed ones coming up in your area.
Those supplies, you need a yarn, hook, scissors, a needle, and craft glue. The last two are, I guess, kind of optional.
And one quick note, this pattern can be customized however you want to. You can try different stitches, you can try different lengths of the chains. It's really limitless however you want to make it. You could do like a 3-leaf clover or 5-leaf clover, like really do whatever you want. I will have this written pattern up on my blog, so go ahead and check that out there. It's totally free. All I ask is that you leave a comment if you plan on making this. And if you do make it, tag me at amdacool on Instagram, Pinterest, wherever you post. I'm there too. I'd love to see the pictures of what you make.
So here we go, starting with our slip stitch, and we are going to chain 21. We're going to count back 10 stitches and slip stitch into what was the 11th chain, and then we're going to slip stitch the rest of the way down the chain. Alright, now that we've done that, chain 14. And then skip one chain and start single crocheting down the chain. It'll be 13 single crochets. Then we're going to find the end of that row, I guess, and we're going to push our hook through what was the little chain turning there, and then we're going to stick the hook through that last chain from where we started from, and then just pull through all of those. And we're going to do it again. So I chained 14, skipped one, single crochet down. Here's the last single crochet of the row. And once again, putting the hook through the end. And then the end of that initial slip stitch row. Alright, now we got a 2-leaf clover, so we're going to do it again. And there's our 3-leaf clover. and it's about to become the 4-leaf clover. And once you attach this last leaf, you'll be done. And there's our 4 leaves. And our cute little tail, or stem, I guess. And then you're just gonna find a good place to attach, or slip stitch rather, into the other side, just so it's all nice and connected. And then we're gonna fasten off. Make sure that tail doesn't get in the way. The scariest part, taking the scissors and calling it finished. Pull it nice and tight, and then tie the tails together, and then we're gonna weave in the ends. I don't see a lot of videos that show weaving in the ends, so this is just how I did it. I wove both of them in at the same time and just went through those stitches that connected the leaves to the stem. Wait some more. Snip, snip. And then I like to add some craft glue to the tails just to make sure that they're super secure. Voila!
And of course, if you like this video, hit those buttons, you know the drill. I'm going to be making more videos about crochet, Dollar Tree hacks, photography, and anything else that interests me really. So follow along, see what I'll be up to next, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!